Hi mga Habiters, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Habiter Danielle and this is our extra math challenge for today. In a drawer, there are 6 white socks, 2 gray socks, and 2 blue socks. Find the probability of blindly pulling out without replacement 4 white socks in a row. And since we are asked to find the probability of pulling out 4 white socks in a row, we also need to draw 4 boxes. This is just for illustration. This is our first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, and fourth attempt. So in our first attempt, we have a probability of pulling out a white sock for 6/10. And since we have now pulled out in our first attempt a white sock, we have now a probability of pulling a white sock for 5/9 in the second attempt. And since we also now pull out 2 socks, so we minus 2 to the first, so we have now 4/7 and so on, 8 pala. So on and so on. So by simplifying this, we now have 3/5. Since 6/10 is, we can simplify that to 3/5. So times 5/9 times 1/2 times 3/7. And by cross multiplication, we have 1, 3, cancel. And we have arrived to the answer of 1/14. And this is the probability of blindly pulling out without replacement 4 white socks in a row. But there is another method in solving this problem. It is by using combinations. Since we are asked to pull out 4 white socks and we have 6 white socks in the drawer, we write 6 C, and the number of times we have to pull out the sock, we have to pull something out in the drawer to get a sock, so 6C4, and the number of items, which are the socks, 10 C, and the number of times we need to pull a sock in the drawer, so 4. So in case you don't know what is the value of 6C4, you can use calculator. You can use a scientific calculator to solve this. But since I know what's the value of 6C4, which is 15, I can now easily directly write it. So 6C4 is equal to 15, and 10C4 is equal to 210. And by simplifying, we have now the value of 1/14, which is the probability of blindly pulling out without replacement 4 white socks in a row. And even though we have used different methods, we can conclude that we can also arrive at the same answer. And if you like this video and if you have learned anything from this lesson, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification bell below. And if you have any comments, suggestions, don't hesitate to comment down. So thank you.